Hey guys, so this is task B from today. So I'm going to do this right now, and I'm going to just break it down the whole problem and try to see if how can I use trig in order to do this. So what I'm going to do. I'm going to write down what's given so that I have all the information. I have the information that's given is the airplane is 2,050 feet above the ground, above this ground. Okay, that's the first information we know. The second thing we know, the tower is 50 feet tall. Tower is 50 feet tall. Okay, the angle of depression is 28. Angle of depression is 28 from point A. From A. So if this is point A right here, this is the horizontal line, the angle of depression is right here, this is 28. Okay, if this is 28, we know that this must be complementary, so it's 90 take away 28, and that's 62. So this angle right here is 62. We also know that the angle of depression from point B is 34 degrees. Okay, that's what we know. So angle of depression is 34 degrees from point B. All right. What we need to find is the distance from A to B. As the plane moves from A to B, how much is this distance? Now, in order to do this, what we need to do, we need to find this total distance from the tower to the location of the airplane. We need to find this horizontal distance first, and we have to use angle 62 because we're looking at that triangle. So when we have this triangle, this is 90 degree, this is the side O, and this is the side A, and this is the hypotenuse. So we're going to use O and A. That means we have to use tangent in order to find this side. So let's use that. So we say tangent of 62 equals to O divided by A. Now, just be careful with A. For this triangle, A should be 2,000. Why? Because the plane is above 2,050 feet above from the ground. But we're looking at from the tip of the tower, how far is it above the tower? It's 2,000 because the tower is 50 feet tall. The airplane must be 2,000 feet above from the top of the tower. So A, in this case, will be 2,000. Now, solving this, we multiply both sides by 2,000 so that this cancels out. O equals to 2,000 multiplied by 1062. So we're going to say 2,000 multiplied by tangent of 60. Later, make sure it's in degree. Yep. I'm going to say 2,000 times tangent 62, and it gives me 3,761.453. That's my distance from right here to there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use the second triangle, and the triangle would be from point B. The triangle would be from point B. We know that this angle is 34. So this must be 90 minus 34, which is 56. So we're going to use this triangle with 56 degrees. Again, we use 10 because we're looking for this side now. So it's going to be tangent of 56 equals to O, which is this side, divided by A, which is still 2,000, and multiply both sides by 2,000. This will cancel out. So O is 2,000 multiplied by tangent of 56. Let's use the calculator. 2,000 multiplied by 1056. It turns out to be 2965.1219. Now we know that this distance from here to there is given by 3,761.453. This distance is 2965.1219. So in order to find this distance, which will be the same thing as the distance from A and B, all we have to take is the difference between these two. So it's going to be 3761.453 minus 2965.1219. This is x. So once we put that in a calculator, it should give me, let's check, 453 gives me about 796.33. But we have to round to the nearest foot, so we're going to round, and it's going to be 796. 796.